In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Samsung Calendar with Partner. First, open your Samsung Calendar app. You will see a clean and organized interface featuring your scheduled events and appointments. This is where all your calendar activities will take place. Opening the app is essential because it's the starting point for all your syncing activities. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Once it's open, you will notice that your events are displayed by date. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate through the app more easily. Next, tap the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, usually located in the top corner of the screen. This menu provides you with numerous options to manage your calendar effectively. Accessing the menu allows you to dive deeper into your calendar settings. It's important because it gives you control over how you view and manage your calendars. Once you tap the menu icon, you will see various options that help you customize your calendar experience. Now tap on the option labeled Manage Calendars. This section is where you will be able to create and modify calendars. It opens up a list of all your existing calendars under your Samsung account. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage your calendars in one place. You will notice options for creating new calendars or editing existing ones. Take a moment to ensure you are in the right section before moving on. Under your Samsung account, tap Create Shared Calendar. This action initiates the process of setting up a calendar that you can share with your partner. Creating a shared calendar is essential as it allows both you and your partner to view and edit the same events, promoting better coordination. Once you tap this, you will be prompted with fields to fill out for your new calendar. Enter a calendar name. Choose something descriptive that reflects its purpose, like family events or work schedule. This is important because a clear name helps both you and your partner easily identify the calendar later. After entering the name, you will also see an option to choose a color. This feature helps to visually distinguish your calendar from others. Once you've chosen a color, tap Create. This action finalizes your new shared calendar. You will see a confirmation message that your calendar has been created successfully. This step is rewarding because it sets the stage for collaboration with your partner. Having a dedicated shared calendar is a significant step toward better organization and communication. Next, tap Invite People or Share Link. Either option will allow you to invite your partner to the newly created calendar. This action is key because it facilitates the collaboration process. The choice between inviting directly or sharing a link depends on your preference for inviting your partner. Both methods ensure that they can access the shared calendar. Select your partner from the list of contacts. You may need to search for their name if you have many contacts. This is an important moment because it ensures that the right person receives access to the calendar. After selecting your partner, tap the Send button to deliver the invitation. You should see a notification confirming that the invitation has been sent. Finally, your partner needs to accept the invitation. Once they do, both of you will have access to view and edit the shared calendar. This final step is crucial as it completes the synchronization process. You can now collaborate seamlessly, adding and updating events together. With this feature, both of you can stay aligned on your schedules, making planning much easier. You are now set to manage your shared calendar efficiently.